Morning, so it's Friday morning and it's Andy and Dave again from FM Services Group. We've just got a new toy, another one actually, funnily enough. And this is a Lumag VS80C, and it's a trench drummer or damper, depending on what you want to call it. And in a nutshell, because the groundworks we do, we normally have to whack the ground down and level stuff off. So this is really useful to us. But one of the things that we noticed today is we thought we've got these fancy wheels that go with it to obviously save our backs, and for some unknown reason we looked at the manual, we can't work it out for love nor money. So having spent about 2 or 3 minutes working it out, we found the easiest and the quickest way to do it, and simply we thought it'd be a quick video to show you how to do it in the safest possible way, and also it actually wheels backwards not forwards, which we also found out as well. So we're quickly going to get it onto the plate. So Dave, you can tip it forward for me. So it needs to go right forward. The hooks that are here need to be hooked into here. They drop directly underneath the machine. They will then release the weight to the hooks. Hooks stay in place. Okay, that's it. Keep going, keep going. That's it. And then from there, we'll just push it on. Now the interesting part is, you think you push it that way. No, you can't do that. So you have to come to the other side of the machine. Let's call that the front. And then from there, wheel it where you want. Pretty straightforward, really. And there's nothing to it. Simple as that. Okay, so if you like the video, please leave your comments and subscribe. Many thanks, I'll see you on the next video.